Get ready, the wind is going to be back tomorrow. Meteorologist Scott Munt has the details.
The old-fashioned South Dakota wind machine will be up and running for tomorrow. Here's a closer look at what to expect. While we had wind gusts in eastern Kettleland in the 20s and 30s today, it will pale in comparison to what's expected tomorrow, especially in western South Dakota. An upper-level low-pressure system will work in tandem with an intense jet stream energy that has already moved into the western United States. This will quickly move east through the upper plains for tomorrow. We're talking sustained winds in Kettleland, anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour. Gusts will approach 50 miles per hour at times in eastern Kettleland, while western South Dakota may have gusts near 70. With the ongoing dry conditions, the strong wind will just elevate the fire danger in Kettleland. The strong winds will continue to strip leaves off the trees, and it will also help bring in much cooler air with highs in the 40s and 50s for Thursday. For Kettleland weather, I'm meteorologist Scott Munt.